Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ogo, and in this channel we talk about cloud, we talk about DevOps, and we talk about SRE. So if you have anything related to that and you want me to talk about, please let me know in the comments. And today we'll be talking about Terraform Cloud. Ever pondered on the concept of Terraform Cloud and its application? It is a fascinating topic, and today we'll dive into it. Terraform Cloud is a service provided by HashiCorp that offers a better way to manage your shared resources and infrastructure. It is a tool that helps you to write, to plan, and to create infrastructure as a code. It manages an ever-growing list of cloud services, so you don't have to keep providing consistent workflow for provisioning, securing, and connecting, and also running your infrastructure for any application. What is the power of Terraform Cloud? Imagine the ability to provision and manage your infrastructure across multiple public clouds, private clouds, and external services with a single tool. That is the power of Terraform Cloud. What makes Terraform Cloud truly unique is its ability to streamline your workflow from version control systems to workspaces, from team access control to your remote state management. Terraform Cloud has you covered. It simplifies your operations and reduces the risk of human error. Now let's talk about the integration and versatility that comes with Terraform Cloud. The brilliance of Terraform Cloud lies in its ability to work in harmony with your existing system and practices. It enables you to use familiar version control systems like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. It integrates seamlessly with these systems to provide a consistent and reliable workflow. But the question arises, are there alternatives to Terraform Cloud? Yes, there are. Tools like CloudFormation, Pulumi, and Ansible are also used to manage infrastructure as code. They each have their unique features and benefits. Now let's talk about the unique features of Terraform Cloud. However, what really sets Terraform Cloud apart from these alternatives are its provider ecosystem. Terraform provider ecosystem includes hundreds of integration with major cloud providers, SaaS, that's software as a service, apps, and other services. This makes Terraform Cloud a versatile tool that can cater to the broad range of infrastructure needs. Another standout feature is the Terraform's Sentinel policy as code framework. This provides fine-grained logic-based policy decision that can be extended to use information from external sources. It is a powerful tool for ensuring compliance and security across all your infrastructure. So to summarize, Terraform Cloud is a service that helps you manage your infrastructure in a consistent and efficient manner. It integrates with your existing system, simplifies your operations, and reduces the risk of human error. It stands out from its alternative due to its vast provider ecosystem and Sentinel policy as a code framework. Terraform Cloud, in essence, is a tool that enables you to manage infrastructure efficiently and effectively, providing a streamlined workflow and a high level of integration. So if you're looking for a way to manage your infrastructure in a more efficient and effective way, Terraform Cloud could be the solution you have been looking for. Thank you for joining me again today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you again next time. Bye.